Hello everyone, I'd like to introduce our HK series small pixel LED video wall. Ideal for control room, broadcast room, cinema, shopping mall, meeting room, and so on. The panel is with aluminum casting cabinet. The cabinet size is 640mm by 418mm. Ultra thin, the thickness is 60mm. The weight is 7.5 kg per piece. Can save the installation space for wall mount installation, with excellent flatness and seamless splicing. There are 5 pixel options like P1.25, P1.53, P1.86, P2, and P2.5. The LED light can be king light and night star options, IC with FM and MEI brand options, high refresh rate, no rainbow effect. The model and receiving card are with flat cable connection and magnetic design, can reach more convenient installation and maintenance. The panel is treated carefully to reach hair quality. First, with wave dissipation service on back cover to reach better heat dissipation. Second, the model and flat cable are with hair quality material, fair and heat protection, avoid bad contact, hair signal transmission. Third, with hidden cable cross holes to make it neat after the installation is finished. If you have demand, welcome to contact us to get the solution and quote. Bye bye.